Hey guys, this is Cooper on the FDC. Today we're going to review the Haiboxing Remote Control Monster Truck. This review is going to be a bit different because we live in the Northeast US. It's going to be a winter review. Bring on the snowy fields, ice, and snow banks. We actually sent an email to the Haiboxing North American address to make sure we were pronouncing it right, but got no response. So, sorry Haiboxing for pronouncing it wrong. Say it with me. Haiboxing. Or it could be Haiboxing. Who knows? Let's take a look. Wicked wide track. 4-wheel drive. Independent suspension and soft squishy knobbies. And pretty hard to roll it on pavement or grass if you're not beating on it like we do. Comes out with what you see here. Controller, extra body clips, and 2 batteries, which is great. We only used one while filming this entire segment, so they last a while. There's also a sticker pack. We did ours like the box, but there were extras for some customization. We had a blast with this truck. Don't let its smaller 1/18th scale fool you. With no assembly and under $100. It's a monster right out of the box. Sure, you could go get some giant junk at a big box store for less. But the only ones not disappointed are those hitting a 90% profit margin with your hard-earned cash. Junk. It has a variable speed control, but when you hammer on it, it really jumps. Proportional steering also. This thing really moves out. It's quick! One of the great things about this truck is when you release the trigger, it stops. No quarter-mile cushions to the fridge. I wouldn't advise running it in the house though. Mom wasn't thrilled about the black donut marks in the lino. Okay, let's watch some cool video with mega slow-mo. You can see these knobbies digging right into the mud and snow. This baby gets the traction. in some air, baby! It's mid-afternoon and the snow's getting soft, but you get the idea. The father-daughter channel thinks this kicks butt. This is only part 1, and in part 2, Dad actually gets in and test drives the truck himself. Wink, wink. Stay tuned. time to go. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm Cooper, and you're watching the FDC. See you soon!